Good morning and Jai Shri Krishna. Myself Harsh Mehta. I am going to take your 10th Science English medium, and today's topic is our chapter number 1, chemical reactions and equations. So students, you already know what is chemical reaction. A chemical reaction is the breaking and making of bonds between different atoms to produce new substances. So in a chemical reaction, there will be breaking of some bonds. Simultaneously, they will be making bonds with each other to form a given new bond. So here it is, reactants and product. This is how a chemical reaction is symbolically written. Here A and B are your reactants. They react with each other to form a product, here C. For example, first, when carbon reacts with oxygen, it forms carbon dioxide. So students, you need to see that here the chemical reaction should be in a proper balanced form. Here you see carbon is 1 on the left hand side, same way on the right hand side carbon is 1. Similarly, oxygen is 2 over here, and here also on right hand side it is 2. So this reaction is balanced chemical reaction. So this is the chemically balanced equation. So the left hand side number of molecules of the atoms should match the right hand side number of molecules. Okay. Further going on, we already know what is chemical reaction. Now how to balance this chemical reaction? So our next topic is balancing chemical reactions. For example, if I take a reaction called magnesium plus oxygen gives magnesium oxide. Is this reaction balanced? Let us see. This is magnesium, oxygen, this is magnesium oxide. Now, if you see over here on the left hand side, Mg is 1, oxygen is 2. Now on the right hand side, if you see, right hand side, magnesium is 1, but oxygen is also 1. If you see over here, there is a mismatch in oxygen atom. Here oxygen is 2 and here oxygen is 1. So this reaction right now is not a balanced reaction. Now how we will balance this reaction? We need to keep both the left hand side and the right hand side equal with each other. So let us do it by this way. If I keep 2 over here, then 2 is applied to Mg also and 2 is applied to O also. Now by applying over here, Mg becomes 2 and oxygen also becomes 2. But if you see over here, now on the left hand side, Mg is 1, oxygen is balanced, but Mg is 1. So what I will do, I will just give coefficient 2 over here. Now if you see, it is balanced chemical reaction. 2Mg plus O2 gives 2MgO. So now it is a balanced reaction. So how do we write a balanced equation? It's 2Mg plus O2 gives 2MgO. Magnesium plus oxygen gives magnesium oxide. See, when I tell in the form of words, if I tell it in the form of word equation, then it is magnesium reacts with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. But if I want to write it in a chemical equation form symbolically, then I have to write in this form. 2Mg plus O2 gives 2MgO, which is a balanced reaction right now after doing this process. Thank you.